क्लास 10 के इंग्लिश बुक से 31 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रेजल वर्ब जिससे हर बार एग्जाम्स में क्वेश्चन पूछे ही जाते हैं। तो चलिए आज मीनिंग के साथ एग्जांपल्स भी देखते हैं। टर्न डाउन, टू रिजेक्ट, ठुकरा देना। रोहित टर्न डाउन हिज गर्लफ्रेंड्स प्रपोजल। कम ओवर, टू विजिट, घूमने आना। रोहित केम ओवर टू माई हाउस येस्टरडे। पुट अप विथ, टॉलरेट, सहन करना। ओनली अ सेंट कैन पुट अप विथ हिज चिल्ड्रन। कम ओवर, मीट, मिलना। लास्ट वीक आई केम अक्रॉस माई फ्रेंड इन द पार्क। मेकअप, टू कंप्लीट, पूरा करना या बनाना। वी नीड वन मोर पर्सन टू मेक अप अ टीम। गॉट इनटू, एडमिटेड टू a school or college. She got into Oxford University to study law. Break into, to enter by force, बलपूर्वक कहीं प्रवेश करना. A thief broke out into my house yesterday. Lay on, provide something for somebody. किसी को कुछ उपलब्ध कराना. A car has been laid on to take guests to the marriage hall. Move in, moving around, चारों ओर घूमना. The planets move in circles around the sun. Hand over, to give something, दे देना. Rohit will hand over a check for ₹20,000 to me. Look at, to watch something, देखना. The teacher told us to look at the blackboard. Grow up, develop gradually, धीरे धीरे बढ़ना. Plants grow up towards the sunlight. Pass away, to die, मरना. SSR passed away on June 20, 2020. Looking for, searching, ढूंढना. Rohit is looking for a job. Open up, to unlock or loosen, खोलना. The peon opens up the school every morning at 7. Chop down, to cut something, काट देना. Rohit chopped down an old mango tree. Turn up, arrive or come, पहुंचना. The minister will turn up on Monday. Out of somewhere. Pinky couldn't stand the heat, so she got out of the kitchen. Play with, to play with somebody or something, किसी के साथ खेलना. It is wrong for a man to play with a woman's philia. Live on, to continue to exist, जीवित रहना. He lived on for 5 years after his wife died. Move over, to change the place, जगह बदलना. Rohit moved over to Delhi to find his job. Fell over, to fall, गिरना. Ashes from the volcano fall over a wide area. Start out, to begin a journey, कोई यात्रा शुरू करना. Rohit started out on a career in teaching. Come for someone, किसी के लिए आना. Rohit was at home when the police came for him. Go back, to return, वापस आना. Nobody can go back and start a new beginning in his life. Sit down, to sit, बैठना. The teacher told the children to sit down quietly. Go down, reduce in price, कीमत घट जाना. The price of onion is going down. Put in, submit, जमा करना. I have put in an application for English teacher. Put up, to build something, बनाना. Raju put up a fence around the garden. Look in, a short visit, थोड़े समय के लिए आना. The doctor will look in again this evening. Go in, to enter a place, किसी जगह प्रवेश करना. I looked through the window but I didn't actually go in.